Please take note that for demonstration purposes we will be using the Horizon server in this video. This video will also serve as a guide to configure our Meridian server as well. Welcome. This video will go over the video settings page found in Horizon's Admin Center client. First, access the Admin Center client. Once you've accessed the Admin Center client, from the home page under the Recommended Settings tab, you'll find the Camera Settings link. Use this link to navigate directly to the Camera Settings page. Once you've accessed the Camera Settings page, you'll notice some various information about the cameras that are currently connected to the system. You'll see that there are 3 cameras connected to my system, and information about those cameras listed down here below, including an estimated archiving lifespan that can be found down here at the bottom of the screen. This page can be used to rename cameras by simply clicking on the box and changing the information, the camera name. You may also change the recording mechanism. Under the Recording Mode tab, there are 4 different selections, as you'll see down here at the bottom: Off, Always, Motion, and Custom. By selecting Custom, this gives you the ability to not only record during certain durations of time, but to even change from continuous recording during certain periods of time and motion recording during other periods of time. Choosing a motion section, and maybe even a not recording time segment, such as you'll see just like this. Once complete, clicking the OK button will apply that to the recording mode. You may change the resolution of entering camera to any of the supported resolutions that are found in the drop-down list. You may also change the frame rate and the quality setting here. If you'll note that by changing the quality setting for the camera will directly impact the calculated bitrate over here on the right hand side of the screen for the particular given camera, which ultimately will adjust the estimated archiving lifespan found at the bottom of the screen. Once you've updated all your camera settings, you can simply click on the Apply button up at the top of the screen, and those new settings will now be applied to those cameras. If you have a larger system with 20 or 30 cameras available, the Copy Configuration tool may be quite useful, as you'll find down here on the right hand side of the screen. By making adjustments to one camera, you can use this camera as the source for information and apply it to all the rest of the cameras in the list. By simply highlighting the individual camera in the list, clicking on the Copy Configuration button, selecting the parameters from this camera that you'd like to assign to other cameras within the system, selecting one or more cameras down from the list below, or of course we can use the All command, clicking on OK will update all the parameters that you set from that one camera to all the other existing cameras that you selected in the list. Additionally, you want to make sure that you click on the Apply button so that all settings have been updated successfully. For additional information on the camera settings page, you can always access the help guide in the upper right hand corner of the screen. The help guide will offer an at-hand guide to additional parameters and settings which may be adjusted within the system. Thanks for your time, and be on the lookout for additional training videos brought to you by DVTEL's TCX Training Department.